You're going to explain if these two triangles are similar triangles. But first, let's discuss what does it mean to be similar for points. Similar. Maddie. I'm sorry? Ratios of what? Ratio of the side lengths have to be the same. Okay, is there anything else that determines if it is similar? So, Mackenzie's saying the shape. Madison is saying that the ratios have to be the same. Anybody else? What does it mean to be similar? Yes. Ooh, to be congruent. Who agrees or disagrees with that statement? Why do you disagree? What do you mean stays the same? Same size, same shape is congruent. So these two triangles are not congruent. We're trying to figure out the definition of similar. So we just figured out that it's going to be the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. Okay? And the ratios have to be the same. Ratios of what, though? Yes, ma'am. The ratios of the side lengths, okay, have to be the same. So what I want you to do is I want you to chalk with your table and discover if these two triangles are similar, and then I want you to explain why you say that. Go. Team 1. So, explain what you discovered. What measurements are the same? The 45 is the same. Is there anything else the same? The 90 degree is also the same. So, can you explain? So, they're saying that the 45 degree angles are the same, and that 90 degree is the same. So, what makes them the same shape then? Wonderful. The rose right triangles. They look the same. Okay, so they have a 45 degree angle. They have a 90 degree angle. So what proves that they are the same triangle? Hold on. Okay, leg to hypotenuse ratio. We don't know what those numbers are. What's the total of the last two? 90 plus 45 plus what equals 180? What is this last angle measure, Oliver? 45. So, okay, so you just proved it. Ready? If you have a set of triangles and they share two angles, if two of their angles are congruent, then it forces the triangles to be similar. So that means that if you have a 45 degrees and 90 degrees, the other angle has to be 45 degrees, correct? Because it has to be 180 degrees. But then if you take away this line and then you look at your big triangle, you also have 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and then that forces this one to be what? 45 degrees. So because the two angle measures are congruent, it means that the triangles have to be what? Similar. Not the same, similar. Similar means same shape, different size. But what we just discovered was that similar triangles have to share angle what? Relationships. They have to share the angle relationships. They have to be the same angle measures. Otherwise, they're not considered similar triangles. So, you just discovered and investigated and explained why angle-angle relationships in similarity triangles works. You just figured out the whole lesson by yourselves. Look at y'all. Okay, we're not done yet. Good try. Here we go. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at number 3, please. Look at number 3. And we're going to discover, are these triangles similar? So are these triangles similar? And I want you to, as a group, I'm okay with y'all working as a group, to figure out A, B, C, and D, but I want to remind you of something first. Remember that we're writing congruent statements and similarity statements. So, raise your hand if you can tell me what a congruent statement would look like. Congruent statement, raise your hand. What's required in a congruent statement? What, Trevor? No. No. The little squiggly sign. Look, the little congruent sign. Okay, so this is a congruent symbol. Wait a minute. So look, I'm giving you an example. This is not for this problem. So if angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF, this would be how you would write the congruent statement. How do you write a similar statement? Who said that, by the way? Lola. Wait. Okay. How do you write a similar statement? Oliver. Beautiful. What's the symbol? Bria, your hand was up. That is the about, like an estimation. Emma. Nope. One squiggle. Okay, so that means that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is a similarity symbol. This is a congruence. If you do not know the difference, Write it down. So congruent statement is going to tell us that we're going to have a squiggle with 2 lines. And then a similar statement, it means that we're going to have one little squiggle line. That's a similarity statement. So when we're writing congruent statements, we need to make sure that we're using the right vocabulary or symbols. Ready? I'm going to give y'all about 5 minutes to finish this. Go. Where's my little timer?
Okay, I'm good now.
Yes, sir. Can we wait like 2 minutes and I'm going to finish this problem? I'm waiting until the timer goes off to give everybody a chance. Okay, stop. Here we go. Let's see what team's gonna give me my A answer. T's gonna give me my A answer. Team 4. Okay, so everybody quiet. So we're just giving the A answer. So what two pairs of angles are congruent according to the diagram? Write the congruent statements is basically what it says. So give me my congruent statements, seat number 2. The numbers aren't on there anymore? Let me see. The numbers were there. It's okay. Okay, congruent statements. What? Okay, so angle what? Okay, angle K is congruent to angle T. Ready? Let's see who's going to give me B. I'm going to spin again because you're not doing it twice. Okay. Give everybody a chance. If it does it again, then I can't do anything about it. Team 6, you're going to give me B seat 4, please. B. Shh, I can't hear her. Line segment what? Okay, so let's look at this again. So line segment KS and line segment TC are what? Okay, same ratio, not the same size. So I'm looking for something else because they want to know, based on the information, what can we conclude about it? Now, I want you to take this information real quick, and I want you to go back to when we were talking about transversal lines and parallel lines. So I want you to take it back and think about if we had transversal lines and parallel lines, and because Emma's hand came up first, explain it to me. So line KS and what? TC are parallel lines. Why? And? We're talking about angles, so give me something about angles. Okay, she's saying that line KS and line TC, look at your picture. Line KS and line TC are parallel lines. That's what she said. So now I want to know, why do we know that they're parallel lines? Ah, I'm dropping my papers. Why do we know they're parallel lines? Say it again. Corresponding angles. Because the corresponding angles, it tells us that those are parallel lines. Corresponding angles are parallel lines. So here we go. For C. Team 2, seat 1. I don't know who's sitting where. Cool. Okay. Explain to me, describe the sequence that maps triangle ASK onto triangle ACT. What? Okay, ready, Cole? Look at me. We're looking for transformation now. How do you know that this is this? What transformation happened? So what transformation is that called? Team 2, if you want your points, you might want to talk to Cole. Dilation. Good job, Cole. It's a dilation. Okay, ready? Here we go. Number 4. Team 5. Team 5, seat 3. Team 5, seat 3. What can you conclude about triangle ASK and triangle ACT?
Triangle ASK is similar to triangle ACT.
Exactly. So, here we go. So what you are going to do is, now that you know that if you have two angles that are the same in a set of similar triangles, it means those triangles are similar. If the angle measurements are different, then you do not have similar triangles. So, right now, y'all as groups are going to do number 4 through 9. 4 through 9, ready, go. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ugh, I forgot my spinner.
Oh no!
Class. I don't mind playing the game and I don't mind having fun. What I do not like is people talking over while I'm talking. That's it. So, chill out. So, for problem 4, team 6. Problem 4, team 6. I need to know whether the triangle is similar and explain your reasoning. So, you have to give me a statement. So, who's gonna team C3? Hold on, wait. Triangle. I can't hear you. You gotta say it louder. BDU. And how you know that?
I know that
because if two angles are congruent, it means that the triangle is similar. So, I'll give them a line later. Okay, ready? Number 5. 4 points. 4 points each. Team 3, seat 2. Team 3, seat 2. Okay, ready? Ready? Here we go. Is congruent? To triangle what? HUM. Let's check. H with what? I don't know. Wait. Hold on, wait. Stop. It's TAB. Okay, so T matches with, T matches with what? M. A matches with U. H matches with. It's okay. Look, the reason I'm correcting it is because I need you to make sure that you see that the way that you write the triangles They have to be matching angles in the same order. Otherwise, it's not the same triangle. So you have to write similarity and congruent statements by the special way it's written. So you have to make sure that the same angle pairs are matching with each other. I'm still giving you a point, but can you explain why? No. Tell me why. What's the reason behind it? Tell her. Come on.
Because they're similar.
What makes them similar? How do you know that? How do you prove that?
They're the same shape, the same anchors, the same.
What rule are we learning?
The thing.
Okay. 5. Give me an answer. 4.
They're congruent.
3.
You said that.
You can't. You're the 2.
I disagree. They're same.
1. Okay. This is the person that gets to steal their points.
Alvin Bell is in. Don't have any. Oh my god.
Team 5. Seat 5.
Okay, I don't have points. So steal any.
Alvin, explain how you know that these two triangles are congruent or similar.
Oh, same side.
What you mean same side?
Just act smart. Act smart. Just start saying random.
You have to say it.
Angles.
It's for what same angles?
Angles.
Hold on.
Same time.
Wait. Alvin, how many same angles?
A lot.
Why don't you look at the picture?
Oh. 200.
Alvin, how many angles are the same?
2.
2. And if 2 angles are the same, it proves that the triangle is what?
Similar.
Similar. Good job. Okay, ready? For number 6. Oh yeah, you're welcome. Team 2. Team 2, seat 3.
We don't have the 3.
Hey, hurry.
Okay, so it is not similar because the two numbers are opposite.
Okay, not similar. Why?
Because the two numbers are not the same.
Oh, really? Okay. Anybody agree or disagree? We have a disagreement. So because we have a disagreement, stop. Team 3, y'all can steal the points, the 4 points, if you can prove that they're not right.
I already got called on.
Team 3, you got 0 points.
Shoot! You should choose a C. Because the angles.
No, as a group.
The angles are different.
Carlos, I think I got 0.
I mean, H and T. Is that right?
Rock, paper, scissors between Ray and Emma.
God damn.
It's so funny.
Okay, Emma. Wait, stop. I need to hear what she says. Emma. Shh, guys, be quiet. Why? If you add 129 and 34, and that gives you what? 17 degrees. So if that's 17 degrees, that this one has to be 34 degrees. So it means that the triangles are similar.
I said that.
Haley got 0 points.
Shut up, Alvin.
Ready? That is number 6.
It's similar.
What time is it?
36.
Okay, so for homework, listen. Stop.
It's not similar or similar?
It is similar. It is similar. Listen, class.
Only odd.
For homework, you are going to do page 185 through 190, only the odd numbers. Only the odd numbers. It's on the board and it's going to be on the announcements. 185 to 190. Excuse me! 185 to 190, only odd numbers. You will have a sub tomorrow. You have plenty of work to do. You